I just wanted to show you my everyday makeup look. Let me know what you think of it. I freaking love it. Oh, it's so freaking cute. I'm getting so much better at doing my makeup. It's amazing. Still room for improvement, of course, but I cannot complain. If you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Appreciate it so much. Have an amazing day, everyone. Hi guys, so to start it off, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. primer. I like to use this primer because it helps me with my pores. After applying the primer, I put some foundation on my face. I normally don't like to do voiceovers, but I decided to switch it up a little bit. After I'm done applying the foundation all over my face, I also like to apply it on my eyelids as well, just so that everything blends in well. Look at me, I'm thinking I'm cute. I'm putting on bronzer next so that I could, you know, frame my face in some way. I don't really notice it too much, but I do see a little bit of a difference, so I just like how that looks. I also applied it on my nose as well, just to shape it a bit. Can't really see it in this video, the lighting sucks. I should have put the ring light right there, but it's okay. Right here I am applying some blush. I'm sure you guys know this already. You cannot see none of this on the camera for some reason. I think the lighting is what it is, and I don't wear anything dark, so. Now that I'm done with the blush, I'm going to be putting on some highlight. I like to put it up a little bit right there, and then, you know, on my nose, and I also like to put it underneath my eyebrows. I mentioned this before, but I really like how that looks. My niece got me into doing that, so I don't know, it just kind of stuck. I've seen people use primer on their eyelids before they put their eyeshadow on, so I wanted to try that and see if it made a difference, because it does crease a lot. And it actually does. It held up a lot better than it normally does without it. So I'm glad I decided to do that. I will definitely start doing that more often when I do my makeup. I also like to put the same color in that corner of my eyes as well. I think it looks really cute like that. The next step is the eyeliner. So I am not the best at doing my eyeliner, but I do a pretty decent job. It doesn't always come out the same sometimes, so that kind of irritates me, but I do a really good job. Now I'm going in with my eye curler, and then I'm going to be putting my mascara on. I really liked the mascara that I used in one of my other videos. This one's pretty good. It is a waterproof one, so I really like it just because of that simple fact right there. Next, we are doing the eyebrows. I like to brush my eyebrows first before doing anything, but I cannot do this on the camera because, like, I really have to go close to the mirror and do all that. I'm not the best at doing my eyebrows at all. But I'm doing my lips now. I like to outline them with like a light brown, and then put a little like a mauve color on top of it, and I just feel like the two of them combined is just amazing. After that, I'm setting my face with some setting spray, and then voila, we are done. Love it. It's cute. Simple but cute. Not too much. I probably should put more on just so that you can see it better in the camera, but this is my everyday makeup. I literally all I do, and it takes like 10 minutes for me to do. I'm lying, probably like 15 minutes. Not long at all. I just throw it on real quick, a little bit longer when I'm filming, but not bad at all. I don't do too much to my brows. I just outline them a bit. I try to make them look decent. They're different, but I love how it looks. I love the natural look on my lips. You can see the brown outline a little bit, but the color matches so well, and I love it. Freaking love it. Oh. Let me know what you think. I freaking love it. Okay.